my channel Isha Tech Foundation. Myself Isha Mahajan, your teacher and trainer. Okay, in the last video I have taught you that how we can select the text from the document. So we have learned different methods to select the text. Okay, and in this video I'll teach you that how we can perform editing operations on the document. Okay, so these are very necessary operations that we can perform on the any word processor. Okay, so today we will learn the editing operations on the word processor. Okay, so first editing operation is moving the text. If we want to move the text from one location to another location, so what we have to do, simply we have to firstly we have to select the text. Suppose I want to move this first paragraph to the last of the page. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to select the whole paragraph, select whole text that I want to move, and after that there is a shortcut, that is a control plus X. You can see the text is not here now. Okay, so I want to move this text here, so place the cursor on that position and use a shortcut control plus V. So you can see the text from the starting of the document come to the last of the document. Okay, so it is a operation of moving a text from one location to the another location in the document. So what we have to do, firstly we will select the text. After that we will press control plus X. Control plus X will cut the text from that location and we will place the cursor on our required position, and then we will press control plus V. Control plus V is a shortcut to paste the things, paste the text in the document. Okay, so what we will do, control plus X and control plus V to move the text. So this is the first operation. Second operation is copying the text. How we can copy the text? Let's suppose I want to copy this text. I want to copy this text. Okay, so firstly I have to select this document. Okay, and to copy the text, here is a shortcut, that is a control plus C. Okay, and you can see here's the option copy. You can see on the right side of the window option copy, and cut also is here, cut, copy and paste. Okay, so here the option is copy and the shortcut is control plus C. So we can simply press control plus C, and where we want to copy, move that cursor to that location. Okay, so I have placed the cursor and then I'll press control plus V. Control plus V is a shortcut to paste the text, or simply we can use this option paste. Okay, so I'll click on that option paste. Okay, and paste. So you can see this text is copied here. Okay, so for copying we can firstly we have to select the text that we want to copy. Okay, after selecting, either we'll press from the copy option or we can use a shortcut control plus C. Okay, and after that we'll move the cursor to that location and press control plus V. Okay, so second operation is copying the text. Okay, third operation is undo and redo operations. As name suggested, undo. What is undo? Undo means to undo the things that we have done. You don't want to do that. The things that you have done now, before saving, and you don't want to remain that things in your document. So what we will do, we will undo that operation. Let's suppose I have copied this text. Till now I haven't saved this document. Okay, so I want to undo. I don't want this paragraph 2 times. By mistake, let's suppose by mistake I have copied, okay, and I don't want this 2 times. So what I'll do, I will undo my operations. So how it's possible? Simply press Ctrl plus Z. Control key plus Z key. So you can see the text is not here now. So what we did undo operation. Control plus Z. And let's suppose by mistake you have do undo, and now again you want to come back that operation. You want to roll back that operation in your document. If you want to roll back that operation, that thing is known as a redo. Redo, as name suggested, redo. You want that operation again. So for the redo, to redo the things, what we will do, we will press Ctrl plus Y. And you can see after pressing Ctrl plus Y, we can see that paragraph again. Okay. So these are the basic operations, basic editing operations in the word processor. Okay. So we have learned in this video how we can move the text, how we can copy the text, and undo and redo operations. I hope you are enjoying the videos. We will continue in the next video with the next operations of the word processor. Till then, you will like this video and subscribe it to enjoy and learn more.